Meaning of disarming.
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 Disarming. The term disarming refers to the act of removing or lessening someone's hostility or suspicion, often by charming or pacifying them. The result of disarming can be a reduction in tension and the diffusing of confrontational situations. When someone is disarmed, they may become more open and receptive to communication and negotiation, making it possible to find common ground and resolve conflicts in a peaceful manner. Disarming strategies can include using humor, empathy, or non-threatening body language to put others at ease and foster positive relationships.